Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word patriotism. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. His fervent patriotism led him to volunteer for military service. Patriotism refers to a strong love and devotion for one's country, typically manifested through loyalty, pride, and support for its values and ideals. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.